What's up guys, turuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng email account using Talkback. Kasi minsan ayaw gumana ng Talkback or hindi nyo mabasa kung ano yung mga nakalagay doon. So napaka easy. Quick settings. So punta lang kayo dito. Talkback. Ayan.
Back.
Ayan
Settings.
kung makikita nyo.
Accounts. Google.
Ayan, dito tayo sa account.
Accounts. Cuivedo Josel. Messenger.
Uy, bawal nyo makita yan. Pero di
Double tap.
nyo naman alam yung
Cuivedo
password.
Jocelyn. Nvidia.
So, may Nvidia account ako.
100 trillion.
Ayan. Ang
Double
gawin
tap
lang
to
natin.
Google. Add. Account setup. Settings.
Yan, kung
System
nakikita nyo.
UI. Authenticated. Account setup. Google Play
So,
Services.
punta lang kayo
Sign
dito.
in. Sign in with your Google account. Learn more about using your account.
Ayan,
Collapsed.
punta.
Create account.
Dalawang kamay
Menu pop-up button.
yung gagamitin nyo. So, you need your two hands.
For work or my business. Menu.
Or,
Create your
so,
Google account.
hindi. So, wag doon. So, dito tayo.
Accounts.
Ay, wait lang nga.
Add
So,
an
mahina,
account.
ano siya eh,
Double tap to
mahirap.
activate. Google. Enlist. Double
Mahirap
tap
siyang
account
gamitin
setup. System
pag
UI.
naka-talkback.
Authenticated. Double tap to activate. Google Play Services.
Ayan, pero
Sign
madali
in.
na lang yan.
Sign in with your sticker keyboard.
Wait lang guys ah.
Back.
Bakit
Keyboard
forgot? Bakit? So,
Expanded.
two hands.
For my personal.
Yan, dito tayo sa
Create your
my
Google account. Web view.
for my
Create a Google account.
personal
Enter your name.
use. So, dito tayo sa
IP na pocket.
first name dapat. First name.
Keyboard. Sign in with your
Wait lang guys ah. So, mahirap siya eh.
expanded. For work or my
Hindi dyan. Ay, bad trip. So,
expanded accounts.
So, mahirap siya, no?
Double tap to activate.
So, pero pipilitin natin
Add
yan.
an account. Double Google enlist. Double tap to activate. Add an account. Account
So,
setup.
kailangan kasi pag
System
gagawa
UI.
kayo,
Sign in.
two hands yung
Sign in with your
gagamitin nyo.
Google account. Learn more
Dalawang
about
kamay yung
using your account.
pagpipindutin.
Edit. IP na
O, tulad na lang yan.
back. Keyboard
So, ang gawin natin, dalawang kamay.
expanded.
Ayan o. I-hold
Expanded.
nyo lang to.
Create account. Menu. Collapsed. Create account.
So,
Menu
i-hold.
pop-up button. Create a Google account. Enter your name.
So, yan. Enter my name. So, dapat two hands yung gamit. Ang hirap.
Edit box. First name.
Ayan. So, ang pangalan ko dito is
Capital C. L. A. I. D. R.
ay,
R deleted. D. E. Susana. IP na pocket.
sunod.
Capital Q. U. I. B. E. D. O.
Tas space.
Espacio. Cuivedo. Symbol key. IP na pocket.
2, 20.
0. 1.
Ayan.
Next. Web view.
So, ito.
Google Play Services. Mail. Double tap. Sign in. Collapsed.
Ayan guys, madali na lang dito.
February. March.
March,
April,
April, May.
June. Sign in. Google Play Services. August. Sign in.
Uy, bakit August?
June. Sign in. Edit box. Day. Double tap
Day.
to edit text. 1. 7.
Uy, gumana ka naman. So,
Keyboard.
mahirap talaga siyang gawin.
Create a Google account. Enter your name.
Bad
Sign
trip
in with
naman,
your
oh.
Google account. Learn more.
Nandun na ako sa dulo, eh.
Home button.
Uy, makinig kang talkback ka. So, mahirap siya.
Back button. Double tap to activate. Create a Google account. Enter your name.
Mahirap talaga. First name ito, first name.
Sign in with your Google. Expanded. Create your Google account. Web view. Create a Google account. Enter your name.
So, ito, enter.
Next, web view. Enter first name. IP Napaki Daang,
Enter
Filipino.
natin next. Tapos, ulitin ko nga yun.
Capitals L A I D R.
Mahirap.
Clade.
Ay, DR.
Na. Clade.
So, ang gawin natin yan, pag ganyan.
Capital C L A I D E.
Ayan, no, matatapos na tayo. So, Quevedo, di ba?
Susanod. Susanod. Double tap to activate. IP
So,
Napaki
gawin
Daang, Philippine.
natin, Q.
U I B E D O. Next button. Windows sign. IP Napaki Daang.
Gawin na lang natin 0, 9, 7, 7.
Next, web view. Keyboard hidden. Basic information. Enter your birthday and gender.
So, ayan.
IP Napaki Daang dial keyboard. 2 characters maximum. Showing Gboard. Keyboard hidden. Google June.
Mahirap siya, no?
Dub 2 edit box. 2 characters maximum. 1 7 max. Keyboard hidden. Rather not. Mail. Double tap. Sign in. Double tap to edit tab. IP Napaki Daang dial keyboard. 3 0 0 0 deleted. 0 9 net web view.
Tama lang, no? Tapos,
Choose your Gmail address. Pick a Gmail address or create your own.
oh,
Not checked. Not quebeciclade9@gmail.com. Next, web view.
so,
Create a
ayan.
strong password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and
So,
symbols.
napakahirap niyang gawin talaga. So, wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan natin tong gawin.
I D E Clay
Kung gusto nyong kunin
Period.
tong
Clay.
email na to,
space
is tandaan nyo yung
1
password na to.
2 3 5 6.
So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng 4.
Next, web view. Keyboard hidden.
Ayan,
Receive
so,
your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later.
ayan, hindi na siya kailangan ng verification, phone number. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit, nagtataka rin ako. So, ayan.
Next, web view. Privacy and terms.
So, agree. Agree lang po tayo dyan.
Google services.
Ayan na guys, so tapos na ang ating
Double tap to activate.
So siguro dito ko muna tatapusin yung video. Nakagawa na ako ng Gmail account, meron na ako. So ganun gumawa ng email address using TalkBack. So bye bye.